Today is going to be a very important class which is on blog commenting. 70 to 80% of the work that I do for my site that you also would be doing will be step number 5. Why is this step very powerful? That you'll get to know shortly. But from here on, step number 5, 6, 7, the quality of the backlinks improves. The list is endless. Till you get the desired position, you have to keep on doing it. Once you have got it, then the next set of keywords. It's all your satisfactory level on the number of visitors. Till then, the off page, on page work will go on. New keywords will come, new pages will get published. Then for all these new pages, for new keywords, again develop backlinks. Now, what is a blog? A site which is only providing information. By default, irrespective of the technology, a site might be developed with. There is disturbance. Sarita, kindly remain muted. Alright, so more than 50% of the websites which are developed are blogs. So site which is only providing information, that is called as a blog. You cannot buy anything in blog. You cannot interact, you cannot do live chatting. No such option is there. Blog is just like a newspaper, like a magazine providing information, and more than 50% of the websites are blog. Blog doesn't mean only Blogger. Blog doesn't mean only WordPress. Blog can be developed using .NET, Java, PHP, Magento, Drupal, WordPress, Blogger. So many applications are there. But one thing that you find in common in each of them is the comment box which comes at the bottom of the post. Let's have a look. So whether you go to WordPress site or Blogger site, you'll be finding a comment box in every page. Like that, any post you open, you'll be finding this comment box. The purpose of this comment box is for the visitors to interact with either the other visitors or directly with the site admin. If this comment box is not there, then I don't know what is that users want to tell me. My site becomes completely read only. But just to open up an interaction between the visitors, the comment box is provided. You can disable it if you want. We'll see what is the advantage and disadvantage. As a site owner, there are multiple advantages of having the comment box. The advantage number 1 is it will help us to engage the visitor. A user can even type a question here, someone else can answer it, admin himself can answer it. So when he has typed a question, he will be in search of an answer. He may come back to your site after a few days to see if anybody has replied. So like that, it is helping us to engage a user. It is able to update the pages of your website on daily basis. Like this comment box, when you are having in every page and you are getting good traffic for your site, every day some of the others are going to post some message here, something useful to the content. So by that way, your pages are updated very frequently, and when the pages are updated frequently, the indexing rate of the site is good, which will help in faster indexing of the new pages. Others, new pages will take a lot of time to get indexed, but if the frequency of updation is faster, then the indexing will also be pretty fast. Now as such, hundreds of pages I cannot edit on daily basis. So what I do, I just open up the comment box, let people come and post the matter. So it is helping us to engage the visitor. It is helping in the faster indexing of the site because the content is updated in most of the pages on a very high frequency. Third thing, it is helping to solve users' query. He may have some question relevant to the content. Only when comment box is there, then I get to know what and all doubts the general visitors have got. So whatever the queries he has got, he posts there, others can reply, I can reply. So it is solving queries just like a forum. Fourth advantage, it will help in improving text to HTML ratio. In the on page I have talked about that you got to have more of matter compared to design. But you may not have so much of patience to write hundreds of lines of matter. So what do we do there? Few lines of matter we write it, and few through the comment box will get added. So you are going to get more of text content compared to the design automatically by the visitors. Now these words, whatever that they write, some of these words will be either the keyword or part of the keyword. So not only that you are having a unique content being added, not only that you are having a better text to HTML ratio, but you are going to have even higher keyword density. So just with the comment box, you are able to get more text compared to the HTML. You are going to get unique content, because here the comment they don't copy paste, they write something by their own words. You can even have a moderation, we'll see those points. So text to HTML ratio is improved, unique content is increased, and keyword density, it is improving the natural keyword density because the comment is anywhere related to your keyword. People are not going to post some comment which is there in other page. So it's going to be relevant to the page topic. Now, because of all these advantages, it is advisable to leave the comment box as it is, not to disable it. However, more than 50% of the blogs, the owners have disabled the comment box. Above all the advantages that I have told you, there is one disadvantage with the comment box. That's the reason why they have disabled it. And the disadvantage is, by default, the comment box can accept links. Your page may end up giving the link to the competitors. Let's see an example. So here I am providing some web page address, let's say moneycontrol.com. I click on preview to see whether the link is properly formed. Click on publish. By default, comments are automatically approved. It means that my competitor has already got a backlink from my web page. So you can see the comment box in the admin section, but you won't know whether there is link present in the comment box or not. Okay, it is showing here. Previously, whether the admin would not know whether the link is there, he would only know in which page the comment has come. Now, as an administrator, I can either totally delete the comment box, the comment, or disable the comment box. So many options are there in my hand. But with the comment box, this problem will be there to the website owner. That's the reason why 50% of them have disabled the comment box. Rest of them, either they have a manual checking of the comments and then delete it or approve it. By default, it is automatic approval. They can have a manual approval, or they can even delete the comment which has got a link. While there are nearly 15-20% of the blog owners who are not bothered about the backlink. That is where the scope is for us to acquire the links. These 15-20% blog owners that I am talking about, they only want the benefit of the comment box, the 5 benefits that we have discussed, and they know that only if they allow the links in the comments, then only people would be having an interest to post something. For that reason, they are allowing you the link. Where do we find such sites? We'll discuss about it. But these are the kind of sites we need to target in order to acquire the backlink. Now, among 100 random blogs if you take, 50 of them won't have the comment box. In the remaining 50, 25 of them, you will see that it will be manual checking or they will not allow the links. In the remaining 25, at least 10 will be there who will read like this comment and link is there, they'll delete it. But at least some 15 sites will be there, 15%, where the link which is present in the comment as it is, they'll approve it. Such kind of backlinks can boost your rank very quickly because you are going to get the backlink from the pages which are already ranking on top for your keyword. I've told you that competitor backlinks is a weakness of every search engine. The page which is already ranking on top for your keyword is no doubt a strong competitor. Even a single link from such kind of results which are ranking on top in search engine is going to have a massive impact on your web page listing towards the top. Every single link from the top ranked pages on your keyword is as good as hundreds and thousands of backlinks. But how do I know who are my strongest competitors? Nothing but type your keyword in Google. Or say just stock market. All of these are my strongest competitors. But problem is not all of them are blog. Not all of them have the comment box. I can open one by one each of the page and see whether it is a blog or not, and if it is a blog, whether comment box is there or not. Like this, if I keep checking it, maybe only 10% of these results are blog, so I am only going to waste my time. You may be having the patience to go from the first till the last result here, thinking that sir, after this 10 listings are opened, I'll go to second page, third page, fourth page, 10 page, 20 page, 30 page. Though you may have the patience to go till the last, but the fact of the matter is you cannot access beyond 1000th result in any search engine in the world. Not talking about private like Jasdal, Shuleka, search engines like Google, organic results. You cannot access beyond 1000. Try doing it. Tonight when you are free, click on 10, then click on 20, click on 30. Before 100, Google is going to stop you. You can try opening the last page, it will give you a message. We cannot give results beyond this. Very few people must be knowing this fact. Forget 1000. If you are going like this serially, then by 500, 600 result itself, Google will stop working in your system. It's a temporary block which is again released after 2-3 hours. You won't be able to use any of the services of Google search engine. Whether you want local results or you want the language change results, till 2-3 hours Google will not work. Try doing that. And that is where is a difficult part. Even to go till 1000, there is a trick. The trick we'll see. If you don't know that trick, then limit I should say is only 500. Let's say we know the trick and top 1000 results we have downloaded. Now why is it impossible? I say that it is impossible to go beyond 1000. The reason why I say that is, even Google doesn't know what is 1001th result, what will he show you? That's why it is impossible. But sir, we can see that there are multi-row results for the keyword. How do you say that Google doesn't know what is 1001th result? It doesn't know. It is only computing the rank till top 1000. Beyond that, what is the rank is not bothered. There are two reasons. If Google is computing the rank right from the first till the last, then it will take a lot of time to display the results. It cannot display in less than 1 second. It will take 15, 20, 30 seconds. People don't have so much of patience to wait for the results. So what he says, top 1000 results are only what I'm going to compute. Because if the user is not satisfied with top 1000, for sure is not going to be satisfied till the last. So why to check the rank of the pages whose marks are very, very less? Doesn't check marks at all. After 1000 for them it is all junk. There's no arrangement of the results. This is all random beyond 1000. No one goes there. I don't think people go to even 100th result. Until and unless our purpose is to hack the results. But if you are in search of an information, we don't have the patience to go even till the third, fourth page. So we give up and we modify our keyword. That's what we do. And that Google is well aware of it. So that's the reason why it's not giving any results beyond 1000 in order to deliver the results pretty fast. The second reason is, if he exposes all the results like this, allows you to go till the last, then you can hack the database of Google. I can myself create a search engine like Google. He wants to maintain that secrecy. Then what difference would be there between Bing and Yahoo and Google? It's only the database. In Google, if you are getting so many results, in Yahoo, Bing, we don't even get 20% of this. So that kind of monopoly he wants to enjoy. He would never want his database to get exposed. That's where the problem comes. Even with trick, if you know how to download the top 1000. Now what is the trick? Let us first understand that. We got to go to the settings, search settings. Here you can modify the number of results from 10 to 100. And then you can click on save. I'm not doing it because it takes a lot of time for the results to get delivered. But after that you click on save. Instead of 10, you are going to find 100 results in a single page. Instead of 10, you are going to find 100 results in a single page. Then you need to open the pages from backside like this in new tab, all at once. That is only trick to download the top 1000. Don't think, sir, from 10 if I made the setting as 100 results per page, then the limit from 1000 will become 10,000. No, limit is still 1000. In fact, for 1000 results to be accessed, this is mandatory, otherwise there is no other way. Maybe some advanced third party application can do that, but through manual settings and all, you can't go beyond even 500. And be prepared. After that, you have opened all the 10 pages, results will get loaded. Next time you won't be able to use Google for at least 2-3 hours. But the purpose is solved. We wanted the top 1000 results, we have got that. After 2 hours again Google will start working. He just wants to make sure that a hacker is not accessing all the results. Now important thing here is, after doing the setting, open the pages from back side all at once in new tab. Then what will happen? In 10 different tabs, we will be having 100 results in each of them. So 1000 results can be seen. Now our job is to download these 1000 results in the Excel sheet. For that you need to enable SEO Quick. Because SEO Quick is enabled, you will have an option to download the results in the Excel sheet. So each page 100 results will get loaded. So 10 Excel sheets into 100 results is 1000 URLs that you will be having. The results may be mixed here with some characters. We want only the URL part of it. So what we do, select the column A. Everything is in column A if you observe. And they are all separated by double quotes and semicolon. So I select the column A, I go to data, I go to text to columns. So by default it is fixed width. Select delimited, click on next, select on other and provide here double quotation. You will see that the URL part is being divided. Next, finish. That's it. All the URLs have come in the column A. We don't require any of these things. These sites are already good. That's the reason why they are ranking on top. We are not interested in their stats. We just have to get the backlink. That's it. This becomes the list for you in order to do the block commenting. I have only provided the Excel sheet till the first 4 steps. Step number 5, 6, 7, you are going to create your own list based on your keyword. Keyword to keyword, the list will change. But we are not done yet. Now this kind of pages, if you go, 90% of them are not blog first of all. Lot of them will be general site where the comment box won't be there. Comment box is there only in blog. So in 1000 results, maybe only 100 are blogs. In that 150 of them, comment box won't be there, disabled. How do we disable the comment box? You can do it using settings. Under settings, comment moderation, who can comment, you can select anything here. If anyone means anybody can come and comment, lot of spam messages also you are going to get. By default the second option where only registered people in Gmail, before commenting Google will ask them, please log in using Gmail. So you won't get any spam comments, but lot of comments you may still get it with this. While if you select the third option, no one will be able to see the comment box except for the website owner and the users that he has added. That means only the self owners of the website can only comment. This is as good as disabling the comment box. Not only that, you can enable comment at the same time. You can have a comment moderation. By default, it is never. That means automatically approve the comment. Some websites will have this setting of automatic approval, while most of them have manual checking. If you select the first option always, then every comment will come first to you. At the bottom of every comment, there will be button approve, reject. Only if you click on approve, that comment will be posted in the website. If you click on reject, it will get deleted. The user will get a confirmation after posting a comment saying that admin is going to review it. Only if it has approved it, you will be able to see the comment. So every comment should pass through the admin. That's the first option. While if you select the second one, you can specify the day here. Only the posts which are at least 14 days old. Only there the comments will get approved. That means only in the old post the comment should get approved, while for the new post it has to come to the admin. You can set any number here. So like this kind of setting can also be done. Do you want email moderation? That means whenever someone is commenting, you will be notified through the email, because you may not be logged in Blogger 24/7, but through email you will get the push notifications in your mobile. So various sites have got various type of settings. You will find mix of websites. But here the problem is, forget the settings, they may not be blog at all. Majority of them may not be blog. Then there is no scope to get a backlink. In the hard work that you have done to download the top 1000, maybe only 15-20 blog commenting scope is there. Doesn't make sense. If you enter a special code in Google like this, then majority of the results are going to be blog. So in URL :blog, rather than directly typing the topic in the search box, you have to start with in URL :blog and then the topic, upon which keyword do you want the results. And then all of them may not be having the comment box, but if I add this phrase, majority of them, not all of them, but majority of them will be having the comment box. And then if I add like this minus, there should not be any space after minus, must be logged. Like this I need to search. In URL :blog means majority of the pages are going to be blog. Topic means upon whatever the topic that you are looking for, those topic blogs will come. Post a comment means where there is a provision to post a comment. Minus must be logged in means those results will not come. Mostly those results will not come where registration or login is required in order to post the comment. So this is a refined list of the pages that you are going to get. In this list, at least you will be getting 30% approval rate. 90% results will be blocked. But after that you have done the commenting, for some reason they may reject it because there is a link. But at least 30% approval rate you can expect for the list which is coming through this code. Forget 30, even if it is 20%, I would say that it is a jackpot for us. Because remember, someone who is at the top for our keyword is giving us a link. Search engines are totally impressed by this action. This is what we want. We don't want thousands of backlink. We want backlink from the pages which are already ranking on top for our keyword. Don't check their page rank, don't check their Alexa rank, nothing that you need to check. Don't check the spam score. If they are on the top, that means everything is good in that page. If they are on the top relevant to your keyword, that means they are your competitor backlinks also. So these are the sites that you need to target. You may even start with step number 5. There is no compulsion in SEO that you have to begin with step 1, 2, 3, 4. No. You can begin even from reverse 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But within a month, you must be doing all the steps so that you get mixed backlinks which looks natural. Today you can do only blog commenting, tomorrow forum discussion, day after tomorrow social bookmarking, and then article submission. Day to day you can only be specific to a single step. But in a month's time, make sure that you have the backlink from all the 7 different methods in order to develop backlinks. Then only it would look natural. Now let us try the list with this code. So my topic is stock market. So wherever it is written as topic, there you need to mention the keyword phrase. So I copy this entire line, and now that I search into Google, the same kind of setting can be done even in WordPress. Let me quickly show for WordPress before we see this. So we have a site here, writemytip.com/WordPress wp-admin. Let me disable the SEO quick. We don't require this now. So all the comments that you have got will be visible here. And if you want to do any settings with the comments, you have to go to discussions. Allow link notification from other blogs. Allow people to submit comments on the new post. You remove this, comment box is gone. Automatically close comments on posts older than 14 days. If you select this option, then comments will not come in the older pages. Users must be logged in to post your comment. Only people who have created account in your website will only be able to comment. There are various settings you can do. You can even have this setting where links, where is links here? Hold a comment in queue if it has got 2 or more links. So in case the comment has got 1 link, at least 1 backlink, then it has to first come for the admin approval. So you'll find various types of sites in WordPress. Some have this setting on, some don't have it, some have enabled the comment to get automatically approved irrespective of the number of days. So all the mixed kind of results that you are going to find. Wherever there is a scope to get a backlink, there we get it. Where there is no scope, we skip it. So let us now go directly target the backlinks. This is what I wanted. So 2,90,000 among 1.8 crore some results in the previous keyword. This is a refined list where there is a huge scope to get a backlink. Not all of them, majority of them. Though there are 2,90,000 results here, but however we can only download the top 1000 with the trick that I have told you. What you will do, under the settings you will change the option from 10 to 100, okay, and then once you have done it, I am not saving it because of slow working. Then you are going to open the pages from backside 10 to 1 all at once in a new tab. Then using SEO Quick you are going to download the results in the Excel sheet, club all the 10 different Excel sheets results into a single sheet, and then make use of the tools in order to divide only the URL part of it, to extract only the URL, and that becomes a list of the websites for you, web pages for you to develop backlinks. Rather than downloading, I am straight away opening the pages from here. Now these pages are on the top because everything is good in these pages. Whether you look at the age, you look at the backlinks, you look at the spam score, or you look at the centric topic, you have typed your stock market, and Google is well aware that these pages are dedicated for the stock market. It is like saying Vishwanathan Anand, who is already an expert in chess, is recommending someone's name that he is really good in chess. You don't have to ask anybody else. This guy understands the game much better than anybody else. If he is recommending any name, that means that guy for sure has to be the best. That is what even search engines think. Your page is based on stock market, and only the pages which are ranking on top on stock market can understand your page better. So if these pages are giving you the backlink, search engines think that already the experts are recommending my page for the same topic. They get totally impressed with these kind of links. Even 5-7 links from the top rank pages on your keyword will make a drastic change in the position of your web page on the upper side. That's the reason why this step is must and should. I told you 80% weightage out of the 7 methods. And you say, sir, all this 1000 is done, then what do I do? That topic will also come after 7 steps are over. For now, at least target the top 1000. Now, while that you are commenting, you'll be finding two types of comment box. Let us first see whether comment box in how many results we have got it. I've opened the top 10 results. We have comment box here, but go to the page which is relevant to the keyword. It's all home investment. Okay. This is okay. This is relevant to stock market. So in case that I want a backlink, what I would do? Post a comment. So this is where I get a box. You'll be finding two types of comment box. One which has got name plus website combination. Others where name and website combination is not there. Maybe there is only message box. Maybe there is only name. Or maybe there is name plus email plus message box. So in case you are having name plus website along with the message box, if both these are there, then that is type 1 comment box. So let me quickly write down that point here. So in type A comment box where you have got name and website along with the message box, you are going to mention your keyword in the name box. This is an important point. Why? Because whatever that you mention in the name box, that will become anchor text. So if it is your keyword, then you are going to get the backlink for that particular phrase, for that particular topic. That's what we want. Anchor text is very important. Otherwise, the search engine know that you have got a point, but for which topic they do not know. So you don't have to type any Ahref code here. No URL code. Only mention your keyword in the name box and in the website box. Whatever is the page you are targeting for that keyword, maybe home page, maybe internal page. Once that both of these are given, then in the message box you are only going to type plain text message. Don't type any backlink code in the message box. The chances of approval will reduce. So only plain text message which is relevant to the on page, which is relevant to the ongoing topic in the web page. So that is what is your type A. In type B, you do not have the combination of name and website. So when you do not have name and website combination, there may be only name, there may be only message box, there may be name plus message box. So whatever maybe, but this combination doesn't come. Rest of the fields may come. Then it is type B. And in such type of comment box, you are only going to type the Ahref code in the message box. Whatever the message that you are typing, you got to blend your backlink within it. Practically we'll see how it is. So whenever the name and website combination is not there, one point to keep in mind is that your message should be typed in such a way where part of the message is the keyword, and that should come in the form of a link, not in the raw text, like I've shown you for the blogger a sample comment how I posted. Let us see practically. Let me post some backlinks for my own web page. The approval rate for either type A or type B, the approval rate is approximately 20%, 15 to 20% only. So don't think that this 1000 list that we are targeting, so don't think that this top 1000 list that we are targeting from every page we are going to get a backlink. No. If you don't do this kind of filtration, then approval rate is only 1%, because 80% are not blogs at all. But with this code, at least the majority of the results are blog. So even after that, approval rate is only 15%. So top 1000 if you target, then easily you can have 120, 130, 140, 150 backlinks, which is more than sufficient for a keyword even with little competition. But what if it is heavy competition? Then you may require more blog commenting. Later we'll understand how can we get more results. For now, let us target this. So the first page. So I have this combination. So this is type A. So if it is type A, I type my keyword in the name box. My keyword for internal page is stock market training. Email, you can give your regular email ID. Though it says website, but we can even give web page. So this is the internal page address that I've given. Now here only plain text, no Ahref link here, but the message has to be something relevant to the page content. Do not type the same message into multiple submissions. So once that I've written some message here, I should not be copying the same message and post it into the next block commenting. Every time that you are commenting, the message has to change. The keyword may be same, the targeted web page may be same, but the message has to be different. In case he is not approving it, he has rejected, then we could definitely use it. So I'm not able to select. Okay, maybe he has got some copy protection. Let us submit this. We have posted the comment, but whether it got approved or not yet approved. The comment is awaiting moderation. Moderation means review. Only after, right now if I refresh it, it will be gone. It's 0 comments. But after it is approved, this will become a backlink. This will come in the form of a link and to the page which you have stated in the website box. What are the chances? 20% only. Like this, if 5 messages are going for moderation, any one would only approve it. But I told you that one link is also equivalent to 50 links, hundreds of links. So I should not be copying this message because this comment is held for moderation. There are some comments but they totally reject it, then I can use the same message. So one we have submitted for review, not yet approved. Let's try the second one. Again, this is type A because we have name and website, both the option. So I give my keyword again here. What and all keywords that you are targeting, one by one for each of the keyword, you'll have to acquire the backlinks. Something relevant to the content which is there in this page. Best trading investing quotations. Post. Let's see if this gets approved or review or rejected. Awaiting moderation. Okay, the others also you have posted here, but only one. So if you are able to see first page and second page, hardly anybody is commenting. It means that very few people must be knowing the trick how to access only the blog pages into the search results. So believe me, even 4-5 years experienced people, they know blog commenting is very powerful, but they don't know where they can get the list of their competitor web pages. This is also not yet approved. If it is approved, the message will be shown and this will come in the form of a link. See here, it's going to be a very strong backlink. Whatever that we give in the name box becomes a link, but still awaiting moderation. So we haven't yet got a backlink. 2 submissions we have done, 2 are also for review. Third one. No comments. There are comments, so let us go. Some comments have already got approved here. 2 comments. Let's see if they are even allowing the links. I don't see any links in these comments, but let us try. So this is type B because we do not have name and website combination. So I need to type my backlink code along with the message itself. Nothing but the HTML code, AHREF code that we have already discussed. So let me type a message here. The message should be as such where part of the message is your keyword, and that has to come in the form of a link. The same page, I also want to target learn stock market. So just check the syntax whether it is properly formed. You can even have a preview to see. Yes, it's forming a link. You can even test the link. It is leading to my page directly. Let us see whether he approves it. Publish. Your comment will be visible after approval. So this has also gone for review. So far 3 block commenting we have done, but none of them have been approved. Let's try the fourth one. So already there are people who have commented and he's allowing even the links. Some of them may not allow the href code, but only the plain URL backlinks can be placed. So you may get a backlink without anchor text. Let us first try with anchor text. Doesn't allow, then at least for the URL you can have a link. This is again type P because we don't have name and website combination. So I need to type a message which is where part of it is my keyword. Need not type stories there, 1-2 powerful lines you can type, and make sure that your keyword is part of it and that you make it as a link. Publish. You must be logged in to comment. Okay, only the registered people can comment here. So though it may take time to register and log in, but still it is advisable to do it because the chances of approval is very high for the logged in users. I am skipping it, but wherever it is prompting you to create an account, it is worth spending time. So because this comment haven't been posted, so I am copying it and use it into the next blog commenting page. I can try here. Publish. Comment has been posted, but whether approved? Oh yes, approved. Finally. So out of 4 blog commenting that we have done, 3 has gone for review. 1 has already been approved. This is the page which is in the top 10 for stock market training. Not competitor, is my strong competitor. So why would any competitor bother to give you a backlink? It's a loss to him. See, a competitor, for him there is no loss, first of all, even if he approves the link to me. Because he wants the advantage of the blog commenting, the adaptation of the pages and all that. He says that what will happen with my one link? That's how his mentality is. But drop and drop of water makes an ocean. I'll give you a better example. Elections. We see that in India, most of the elections have a turnaround of only 50%, 60%, even 70% we say is a good number. 30% of the people do not cast their vote. Minimum 30% people do not cast their vote. What is the main reason behind it? I've seen some students answer that's why they don't have voter ID card. That number has not even come. 70% is the 30% who are missing voters. They already have a voter ID card. We are not counting the others at all who don't have the ID card at all. So those who have the ID card, in that also 100 out of 100 only 70 of them are casting the vote, 30 of them are not casting. There may be several reasons, like some of them may be out of station, some of them may be that they did not get the voting slip. Those are all minor reasons, which is hardly even 10% of that crowd. But 90% of these people who are even ready for a debate in the politics but feel very lazy to cast a vote. Some of them make up their mind. They wake up little late, holiday, and they think that let us go to the voting by 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, that will get postponed. And then when they see the line, it's a very huge line, they plan their vote to give it in the evening time. And then by evening, again laziness, who will go there? Who is going to wait for the slip, and then who is going to wait in the line to cast a vote? What difference does it make? Party A wins or party B wins, our country will remain the same, things will remain like that. That is the nature of these people who are not voting, that 30% people. Finally, one thought will come in their mind: what my one vote will make a difference to the party? They may favor one party also, but why should I spend so much of time, waste my energy? Anyway, my one vote is not going to make a difference. That's what they think. True. From their angle, from their perspective, yes, that's right. But like that, when a lot of people are thinking that 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is definitely making a difference. When we go into the hotels, in some hotels they write it near the wash basin: please don't waste water. While we shave, while we brush, we don't bother and we continuously put the tap open. What do we think? Such a big ocean, so many rivers, so much of water on the planet. What my one mug of water will make a difference to this planet? But like you, when lakhs and crores of people are thinking that 1 plus 1 plus 1 mug is definitely making a difference. Likewise are these websites. What they think is that what my one backlink will make a difference to this guy. But he doesn't know, like that there are so many pages together that 1 plus 1 is making a difference to us. Because for him there is no loss, he is ready to approve it because he wants the advantage of the comment box. And for us, like this, even if 10-20% pages are approving it, collectively it will make a huge difference. This is what we need to do in the blog commenting. Let us finish these sites. So there's no toolbar to form a link. Let us try with href code, see whether he's approving it. This is where my keyword is. To make it in the form of a link, I input the href code. Comment. It's telling to sign up. So some sites will be asking you to register, even though we have searched with the code where registration is not required, but you will find such results. But I told you, better to register. There is a lot of value for the link. I am skipping it. I'll use the same comment in the next result. So this is also type B. Here also registration. Let's directly log in and see. Okay, link approved, great. But it's not accepting href code. We have got a backlink only for URL. No, there's a mistake here. So that href is also taken a part of it. Let us edit this with the edit option. Yeah, edit. Done. Now this is a backlink, but not for any specific keyword. It's a backlink only for the URL. Some comments are as such which will not allow the ahref code. But 2 backlinks got automatically approved among 5. So this is type A. So I need to mention my keyword here. The keyword is case insensitive but space sensitive. So make sure that you have got the space exactly where you want. I think he may not allow internal page. Let's see. He's showing a red mark. After posting the comment, let's see that. Because my link will get formed here, I need not place any link here. Submit. Comment is posted but awaiting moderation. But you see that what I have given in the name box has actually become a link. But then it will be a confirm backlink only if the admin approves it. Chances 20%. Like this 10 messages go for moderation, 2 will surely get approved. Let us quickly finish the remaining 3. So this is type B. That's what I was saying, that we do not have the combination of name and website. So when that combination is not there, it is type B. So I don't have to give my keyword here, I can give my regular name. Here I need to type the href code. So href is allowed here. So my keyword is here, understanding the stock market. For this topic also I want to target the same page. There should not be any spelling mistakes or grammatical mistakes. You need to rectify that. Always copy paste it from the URL, so that whether you have triple W, you don't have triple W, you have HTTPS, everything gets taken care of automatically. Is written to type the password backwards. It's taking my URL here. Some mistake within this website, so we'll skip it. We'll go with the other one. Because the comment could not be posted, I can copy that and place it into the next page. Here a lot of people comment got approved, so chances of approval is higher here, but there is no box in order to comment. So comment section is closed now. Generally you get a button here, post your comment, you are not getting it. Let's try one last page. No comment. So this is type B because we don't have name and website combination. Comment is awaiting moderation. So once that it is approved, it will be a link. So among some 7 block commenting that we have done, 2 got approved and 5 got for review. Out of 10 review, 2 approvals you can expect easily. In this way, you need to do at least 50 block commenting per day for your website. Whichever keyword you want to target, whichever page you want to target, every day 50 block commenting you need to do if you want fast results. Sir, in 20 days the 1000 list will get over, then what do we do? I told you beyond 1000, how do we get more list of block commenting? We'll discuss on that later once all the 7 steps are over. But firstly target the top 1000, and then we are going to learn about something like Google hacking URLs. Beyond 1000 is impossible, but 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000, like that we can access as many results as we want. Almost all the results which are related to our keyword. I find here 2,90,000, almost all of them can be accessed, but by rotating some codes. Later we'll understand what it is. Okay, that is all for today. For any kind of questions, make use of the chat window or the audio control.